Proprioception. Today we are going to be looking at heavy and light, and as you can see I have got lots and lots of things from the kitchen. So I have some rice snaps here. I also have a bag of flour. I have some foil, some pasta, some spaghetti there, some salt, some oil and some tea bags. And I'm going to set you a challenge for measuring things that are heavy and light. Now, you might have some of the same things as me in your kitchen, but you might have some different things. But just ask your adult to help you with a selection of things from your house. Now, to start this challenge, this is what you need. You need to ask your adult to give you 2 plastic carrier bags. Now, you are going to become a weighing scale. So make sure your bags are empty to start with. And then you're going to put your arms out nice and wide like this. And then your adult is going to place an object in each side. Okay, so I'm going to do this for myself because I'm on my own. So I have some foil, and that's my one object going in my first bag. Then in my second bag, I am going to place the oil. Oh, foil and oil, that rhymes. Now, I'm going to put my arms out and I have to think really carefully which one is heavier and which one is lighter. So the object that is heavier, my arm needs to go down towards the floor, and if the object is lighter, my arm goes up. So as you can see, the foil is lighter than the oil. So now I'm going to take those out and try some other items. So I want you to think now, I'm going to show you the 2 items that I'm going to place. So I have pasta, so some spaghetti in one, and then in my other bag I have some cereal. So when I place this in this lovely big box of cereal here, which one do you think is going to be heavier? Do you think it might be the cereal, or do you think that it might be the pasta? So I'll put my arms out. That's right. If you said the pasta was heavier, you were correct. And if you said the cereal was lighter, you are also correct. Now, we are going to try another one. Let's try the tea bags and the flour. So, here are my tea bags, popping those in, and in my other bag, right in here, I have my flour. Oh, now let's have a look and see. Have a guess, which one do you think is heavier? Oh, now having a look, can you remember what was in this bag? That's right, in here I have the flour, and in here I have the tea bags. Now you can try this with lots of different things that are in your house. You can also swap, and then you can give the 2 bags to your adult, and then your adult can become the scales, and you can give them things to see if they can measure which one is heavy and which one is light. Then also what I would like you to do, maybe you can find the things that balance. It might be that you have a tin of beans over here and a tin of something else on this side, or maybe something else. When your adult is holding the bags, maybe without you even touching them, you can predict which one is heavy and which one is light. So have a good think about that. And for the adults, I would encourage you to put in big things that are light and small things that are heavy, just to show your child that because something is big, it doesn't mean that it's heavy, and because something is small, it doesn't mean that it is light. For example, this box of cereal is very light, but something else that is smaller could be really quite heavy. Reception, this is another challenge for you. So you need for this a coat hanger and 2 plastic cups that you can just use your hole punch in to create a scale, and then you'll be able to measure different things, maybe some of your small toys in each side, and see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. You can also use things again from your kitchen to see which is heavier and which is lighter. You can also use a plastic cup like this and attach it to one side, and a plastic cup attached to the other side if you don't have disposable cups. Now, this is the final challenge that I'm going to give you. As you can see, I have a sponge, some washing up liquid, a hair clip, a glue stick, and a remote control. What you're going to do is your mum or dad will start this off. Maybe they will start with a glue stick or whatever you have in your house. And what they will say to you is, go and find me something that is lighter than a glue stick. And then you need to weigh the glue stick in your hand, hold it carefully, think how much it might weigh, and then have a look around your house for something that is lighter. Now, I have a clip, so I've brought that back. Now, your mum or dad might ask you to find something heavier than a glue stick. Or they might ask you to find something lighter than a clip. And then what you're going to do is you're going to keep going and getting lots of things, but somewhere along the line, you might find something that isn't lighter than the clip, and it isn't heavier than the glue stick, but it fits right in the middle. And then you will need to put those in, and you can try this with as many different objects as you want and in as many different rooms of your house as you would like. So you might want to start off in the kitchen or in your bedroom with your toys, putting your toys from lightest to heaviest. Have a good try at doing all of these activities, and I hope you enjoy them. And please let me know how you get on with finding out the lightest and heaviest objects in your home. See you very soon, reception. You take care. Bye-bye.